Ready to dive into the world of Ghibliart.AI? Here's how to create an account on Ghibliart.ai. First, open your browser and go to Ghibliart.ai. On the home page, click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Here you can see sign up button. Tap on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address, create a password, and accept the terms and conditions. Fill out the details and hit sign up. You may receive a confirmation email or code. Click the link in the email to verify your account or enter your confirmation code. Once verified, your account is successfully created. If you don't receive the verification email, check your spam or junk folder or try resending the verification link or verification code. And that's it. You are all set to explore the magic of Ghibliart.ai. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.